If you're looking to track deals by region or account rep, you've come to the right place. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to easily set this up and keep your deals organized, whether you're tracking by region or by account rep. Stick around to the end for a quick tip that can really take your deal tracking to the next level. First, let's get into the basics. Most CRMs or sales tracking software will allow you to organize your deals in a way that's tailored to your needs. For this example, we'll be using our recommended software, which is simple yet powerful. It lets you filter and organize deals by region or by account rep with just a few clicks. The first thing you want to do is set up custom fields for either region or account rep. These are key to organizing and tracking your deals. In our software, you'll find a section where you can create custom properties for each deal, whether it's the name of the region or the specific account rep managing the deal. This is where the magic happens. Once you've set up your custom fields, you can start entering the necessary information for each deal. If you're tracking by region, just enter the region in that field. If you're tracking by account rep, assign the deal to the rep handling it. The system will then automatically sort these deals so you can easily filter by region or rep at any time. The next step is filtering your deals. You can create views that show only deals from a specific region or assigned to a certain account rep. This helps you narrow down the deals you want to focus on. The software will update the deal list in real time, so you always have up-to-date information. Now, to make sure you're getting the most out of your deal tracking process, consider setting up automatic notifications. For example, you can set the software to notify you when a deal is assigned to a specific region or account rep. This is a great way to stay on top of your deals and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Here's a quick pro tip for taking it even further. If your software has integration capabilities, try connecting it to a dashboard tool like Google Data Studio or Tableau. This way, you can create visual reports that give you an overview of your deals by region or account rep, which can be really helpful for making data-driven decisions. If you want to follow along and set this up yourself, I'm offering an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. You'll be able to use the software I just showed you and get the full experience. Just check the link in the description below for access. Now let's wrap this up. The key takeaway here is that tracking deals by region or account rep is all about setting up custom fields, using filtering tools to organize them, and setting up automatic alerts to stay informed. This method will streamline your sales process and help you stay on top of your deals. Remember, if you want to try this software for free, check out the exclusive trial in the description below. You won't want to miss out. Thanks for watching.